Assalamu alaikum. I am Sundas Yasin, a faculty member of Dr. A.Q. Han. I am an English teacher and here comes your summer task for grade 8. So here comes your first task on page number 5, regular irregular verbs and funny noise. So here you have, this is the letter which is written by Noon to Manahil. So you have to underline the regular verbs, irregular verbs which have ed at the end, and you have to underline it. On page number 6, write reply to Noor's letter using the correct past simple form. So you have to write the letter in simple form, past simple form. Then page number 7, you decide what would you do if. So these are the wishes which you have to complete. If I won $1 million, so what will you do? So it is up to you, what will you write over here. Then you decide, why doesn't Mr. Adil like his neighborhood? What are the problems in neighborhood? Why we don't like the neighborhood? So you have to write it over here with if, and all that, their neighborhood a lot more. So these are the instructions which are given from the beginning and end. So you have to fill it up. Page number 9, common idioms. Common idioms, the instructions, what are idioms? The instruction is given over here, and then you have to write what is the meaning of it. Then there is page 10, understanding quantities. You have, these are the complete the sentences below using one of these words. So you have to use these words and complete the sentence. The pictures are also given over here. Then page number 11, there is a pyramid over here. The instruction is given, you have to write the preposition which is starting from I. On page number 12, adjectives and synonyms, you have definition over here. The words are given over here and you have to complete it. Page number 13, onomatopoeia, list of noisy words. You have to match the column according to the sounds. Be the spell checker. You have to write, you have to see that if there is incorrect spelling, so you have to underline those spellings. On page number 15, giving direction, you read the text below. There are 20 words spelled incorrectly. Underline each one and write the correct spelling about it. Test your research skills. Classic books, you have to do what, match the classic book with its author. These are the author, these are the books, you have to match it. Okay, then page number 17, test your reading skills. You have to write it. Then what time was it? Use either AM or PM. Okay, then more questions are over here. After reading this, you have to answer these questions. Then page number 18, Bob Hunter's family. This is the paragraph over here. Here are some questions. You have to give the answers. Page number 19, story starter. Read the beginning sentence and write your own story. They have given you the beginning lines and you have to complete the story according to the picture. Then on page number 20, 5WS chart. Fill in each row with details to answer the question to make a story of your own. What happened? Who was there? Why did it happen? When did it happen? And where did it happen? So the story will be completed by these WH questions. Page number 21, now write your story. You have to write the story and give it a suitable title. On page number 22, choose the right word. You have to choose the right word from these given words. Have you heard the noise? Have you heard the news? A lion has raised escape from the zoo. So which is the correct one? You have to choose that one. Page number 23, guess the end. You have to give the moral to this, the English lesson, the whole story. Then on page number 24, an artful puzzle. You have these words and there are some words which are coming over here and they have given us instruction that they are ending with ART. So the words should be written over here according to the condition. Then page number 25, letter play. What two letters express the meaning not difficult? So you have to write only two letters over here which you feel that they are correct. Then tools, 26, page number 26. How many words can you make out of the word tools? Can you find? So here comes the grammatical ones. A preposition what you can make with the tools. So this is your summer task. This was the summer task for grade 8 and I hope you will complete in your summer vacation.